cat, look, harness. Fan is probably blowing into the microphones. Unfortunately.
That's true. You probably can't even hear anything with that on. Yeah. Now you have to start over. He's like, what's going on? It got quiet all of a sudden. He does get quiet when he's assured that he's going out. He doesn't think there's any more reason to beg. He's going to go to the door now.